Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So it's been about a month since the last time we popped into Hitbits. So today we're going to do a quick update and we've got some payment proofs for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video, and as you can see here we are in my Hitbits account, and today, like I say, it's just going to be a really quick update. I don't want to keep you too long, just show you what's been going on, and like I say, I'm going to bring them payment proofs to you as well. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so let's just get into it. So not a whole lot has happened. Hitbits is one of those programs that sort of, once you get it set up, you know, you're just basically going through the motions of, you know, doing surveys, doing short links, all those things. So what I'm going to do is we'll just quickly go through it. I've not written anything in the way of down of numbers, but you will remember that a few videos back I said that I was not doing any withdrawals less than 100,000. So we're now at 44,000, so that's nearly 50% of the way to another withdrawal. Mercenaries, oh, what am I doing? Mercenaries, we are a bit low, I have to say. Look, I am really struggling with everything that's going on to try and keep myself. Oh, I mean, really, my whole goal is just to try and keep myself at 100 mercenaries, or, you know, possibly a little bit higher if I can. But as you can see, we have fallen. We're only 80 mercenaries, but still, like I say, with even that low amount, we're nearly at 50,000 credits. That is halfway to another withdrawal. So even at that level, we're still you know, making some good strides into earning ourselves that free crypto. And remember, obviously, as well, if Hitbits is not something that you're familiar with, basically what it is, it's a mining program or a mining game that is set in a fantasy world where you get to build armies of mercenaries, go on battle monsters, and of course earn yourself that free Bitcoin. And if you are interested in something like that, go and check out a link I'm going to put in the description to an earlier video. What that'll give you is the very minimum you need to be doing to be earning yourself free Bitcoin from this program. Like I said, you can, you know, go and battle monsters and all these things by yourself, knowledge books and spell potions from the shops, but none of that is actually necessary unless you want to. So like I say, check that video out and that will give you the absolute minimum that you need to be doing to be earning free crypto from this program. And as well, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put a link in the description to a faucet playlist. So that is all of the free faucets I am currently using to build up coins in various wallets, which is then what I'll do. I'll invest those into things like Dual Mine, Roller Coin, EOBot, if and when it ever comes back, which obviously, cross fingers, we're all hoping it's going to. But yeah, check out the faucet playlist and check out the earlier Hitbits video I did, and if you go right the way through to the end of this video, those links will be there also, and you can just click straight on them and get watching. Okay, so like I say, that is pretty much it. I mean, there's, you know, not a lot else we do in here. Obviously, I do play in the battles now and again, but not a lot. My priority is more about getting those coins out. So let's go and straight away go and check out those payment proofs. So scroll down here. I don't know, I was about to log out then. Scroll down here, click on here. Okay, so if you look at the top of your screen, you will see that there are 3 screenshots from my wallet. So that is 3 payment proofs I'm bringing to you. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go from left to right, starting with the earliest withdrawal. So basically the last withdrawal, or the earliest withdrawal in this listing would have been, we withdrew on the 17th of August, and then it landed in our wallet on the 23rd of August, and that gave us 10,494 BTC, as you can see there in the screenshot. Okay, so the next one up, we withdrew that on the 2nd of September, landed in the wallet on the 7th of September, and then we got 10,872 BTC just there. Okay, and finally we made the withdrawal on the 21st of September, so that was only a few days ago, and it landed in our wallets on the 28th of September, and that gave us 10,000. Oh, well, actually, funnily enough, it says here it gave us 10,523, but what actually landed in our wallets was 10,475, as you can see just there. Not quite sure why there's a difference between that last one, because obviously the first two were bang on, and then this last one there was some sort of a difference. I don't know if for some weird reason we ended up with a fee that we don't normally get, but anyway, that is they are the withdrawals. So at the end of the day, the one thing we can say, as I've been saying with these programs recently, if we're still getting our withdrawals, then the program, as far as I'm concerned, is working 100%. And because at the end of the day, that is all really that matters, is as long as we, if we're putting in the work and then we're getting the coins out, so basically we're getting paid. that is all that matters. That is the big thing that we want. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it there, and I will say that if you are interested in those earlier videos, then they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.